So yeah, it's been a minute since I dropped a video, but here's what I've been cooking up. This little robotic arm thing. It's built from Lego Technic parts, literally glued straight onto the servos. Super scuffed, but honestly it works. The whole arm's pretty compact too. It's rocking 6 servos. There's a base servo to spin the whole thing around, 2 servos for the main arm parts, basically shoulder and elbow moves, then a wrist servo for tilt or rotation, and the grabber itself has 2 servos so it can open, close, or even do some funky twisting if I want. All of that hooks up to an expansion board sitting on top of the ESP32, which keeps the wiring nice and clean. And yeah, it's actually got a web controller already, so you can move it from your phone or laptop. Plus, you can control it directly with the keyboard too, which is honestly way more fun. It's kind of wild what you can pull off with some Lego, hot glue, a few servos, and a microcontroller. Next step? Might throw on some sensors or maybe even face tracking. But for now, it's just vibing on my desk, doing robot things, jare.